In front of me is Realme Narzo N61 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by going into Devices Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK. Make sure that Timeout is set to infinite, and when you're ready, go into Tab menu. Now you need to edit it thanks to those three dots at the top right corner. And Edit button. Now scroll all the way down to add Caffeine shortcut to your current menu. Go back and last but not least, click on it to set up sleep time to never. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!